So to start, I'm going to open up the app. This is going to show the splash screen. This splash screen is set to last for 3 seconds before moving on. It now opens up into a new activity with a button. This was a last minute addition, as after spending 37 hours attempting to get fragments and an nav bar working, to no success whatsoever, since fragments uses a completely different code than when we used the app compact activity that we did last semester for our activity class. I could not get any CRUD working in fragments or to get it to display, so I opted for the substitute, so I will at least be able to show a full CRUD functionality of my app. So moving on, I'm going to click the button. This is going to move into the recycler view. I have already put in some data prior to the video to showcase the persistence. You can at the top see there is an add and a search feature. I could not get the search feature working with my code. I have the code implemented into my app, but it does not work with the data class model and inputting of data. All the tutorials and guides I could find online, they all use hard-coded in data, which is of no use to my app, and I could not find any help when it came to inputting data and being able to search for that in the recycler view. So if I wanted to add in something here, I would not be able to search for this in my app. Like if I was to do a full search, like say Curse of Strahd, it doesn't filter it. Though if I had it in hard coded without adding it in manually, it would work. You can see the delete function here works. I can go in here, I can change what addition I'm using in my spinner class. I can edit in the whole description. I can change the date and the time. And you can see it all updates there. And delete that out. You can see if I try and add a game without a title, it will not work. It'll ask you please enter in a game title, and it won't display it. That is really my full app. Unfortunately, I really tried to add in the nav bar and get fragments working, but for the purposes of this, after 37 hours of trying, I was just frustrated and I lacked any. I understood the theory on why it worked, but I didn't understand the actual code I should be writing in, and I didn't know what that code was, so I couldn't add it in. And that is everything.